Hello everybody, this is another video. Today we are recording 21st of September. We are not having a lot of fun today with the trading engine as it's my computer somehow just is not funny. I'm not getting a nice synchronization with the time. I've restarted my computer, I've tried to reset the time manually and I just can't get this time difference to get fixed. I do not know why. These are yesterday's trades. We now have only 14 positions. We started yesterday with 18 positions, I think, or 17 positions. We've closed 2 more positions than we had opened, as you can see from the grid. At some point in time yesterday, I just got sick and tired of looking at these positions, and I just went out with a little bit of profit, not a lot. I mean, it's not something you would do with trading for real money, but since I'm testing the engine, I'm not trying to make a lot of profit. I'm starting the C1 engine, starting the C2 engine by pressing F5 and F6. I'm going to trade in the same range as I am always doing. I'm pressing F2 to start trading. I'm going to create a new header so we can see what is new. Looks like just in time. We've had quite a few trades on X already. Here you can see yesterday's trades on X. If you look at all trades, we see that we almost trade every day on X. Put it on 2 weeks. Let's have a look. On the histogram, you can see basically where it's going. Let's have a look at only today's trades. If you don't have a lot of shares, you can't make a lot of profit, as they say. I'm going to update this one a bit, make it higher. There we go. I'm updating the price range, so I'm teaching cats a little bit in case we don't agree with it. Not too late. The way it's trading. With the risks he's willing to take, I'm doing this. It's on my risk profile. It's not going to update your risk profile. You have to basically set your own. Perhaps be a bit more aggressive. Yesterday it wasn't selling any positions. We only bought positions. We started to sell a little bit later on the exchange. Today looks more like a normal day. If you are just scalping the shares, meaning you're just taking 1 or 2 cents, all the ones that turn green you would have sold already. But we're not scalping. Therefore we set the profit to be a bit higher. Therefore we don't turn around our money as fast. This is a typical position where we are too far away from the exchange and our order got too late to the exchange, as you can see. latency towards the exchange is it's quite important. All right, I think I have plenty of trades. I'm going to cancel. There we go. This is very strange. Looks like it's a very new share, because I see no movement other than today. Very strange. What's also interesting is that you can see the price actually went over the price. This can't be on an unknown paper account. You would have sold your position here. I mean, nobody can buy your positions if you're already offering it lower, especially here. We were already in line because we got some of our shares sold. So this is a typical reason why paper doesn't perform as good as a live trade would. Fine with me. As you can see, I'm not trying to make high profit. I'm just trying to see how the engine trades and if it's learning from my risk acceptance. Right, that's it for today. I will stop capturing the video. This is what has gone out and come back in. As you can see, I sort them by in, out. You can see them. I click on the financial instrument and the order reference. This is the commission of the exchange, and that's the realized profit before the cap fees. All right, see you tomorrow.